Our tool benches have always been really popular, so we've come up with this neat junior addition to the range. The Tap Tap toolbox is a smaller item for the collection, complete with a wooden box, some nuts and bolts, and all the things you need to start building for your budding young carpenter. Comes with a really cute woodpecker cloth bag so that you can pack everything away after play. A pair of pliers, which are fab, a screwdriver, a spanner, and of course a fantastic woodpecker hammer. Tap Tap hammer. And we've got some really fabulous little screws and nuts and bolts parts here. And then you can actually pack them all away again. Pop them in here, making a bit of a mess. Put them all back in here, put the whole thing back in there, and the whole thing can be packed away.